Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do What's New Wednesday. And this week we are doing a sticker haul. So let's get into it. The first package I have is, of course, Happy Mail. This is from Coco's Vision. So let's see what's inside. So this is, I think, a journaling card or a dashboard, maybe. You are resilient, you are strong, you are beautiful. Let's take everything out. A little baggie. Yeah, I think this is like a little journaling card dashboard. It looks to be about 4x6. Then what else do we have here? Oh, this is the new exclusive sheet of dolls, exclusive sheet number 11. I think I've missed some of these dolls along the way somewhere. These are really nice. If you watch my channel, you've heard me mention that this is a great way to build your sticker stash, is to get the exclusive sheets from Coco's Vision if you're interested in dolls, because you get 8 dolls for a really good price, for the price of one sheet, and they are a great size. Yeah. So, I don't know. It's a great way to build your stash. Okay. Ooh. So these are the stickers that I ordered. I loved the color in this dress. Her name is Maxine. And it's just beautiful. It's summery and pretty. This is Jaleesa in orange. Again, summery and pretty. Lottie, it's not a summery outfit, but it gives summer vibes. So, and it's the orange. Then we have Sadie in black, and then Kalia, is that her name? She's also on the exclusive sheet. This one is Melanin. Okay, I think some of these are PR, not just my order. And then Kalia again. So yeah, some of these are PR and some of these are my order. But that is everything. Let's see. That's better. That's everything that I got from Coco's Vision. I've received a lot of questions about where do I get my dolls from lately. So I get them from Coco's Vision. It's cocovisionshop.com. You can use my code Rachelle15 to save on your order, and I'll put all the information in the description box below. So on to the next Happy Mail package. This is from a Little Spark. This is the April sub box. I don't remember which sub box I subscribed to. I think I got the mini. We'll see. I really like a Little Sparks style, the color, everything about it. I really like this shop. It's so different and artsy. I just love it. So Earth Day is the 22nd of April, I believe. So I guess this is what this is representing, and it's beautiful. I need a way to show off my journaling cards. So this is a hollow sticker with the same graphic. I don't know if you can see that. And then I wonder if they could do that on vellum, and then that way I could put the vellum in my stylogy. So these are the stickers. So yeah, it's all earthy, Earth Day related. The icons are awesome. You got your Monday through Sunday box, checklist box, trackers, payday flag, planner, I don't know, header boxes, some dividers, the weekend sticker, glitter sticker. Then this is the quarter boxes, washi strips, half boxes, all the boxes and a full box. But it's so, I don't know, vibrant and fun. Okay, and then this is the full boxes. Look at her shoes. And she's on the pizza. Then this creature is of the woods, I assume, with her hair, with the vines and the antlers. Candles and jars and plants and flowers. And this is like the earth heart, is the heart of it all. And the trees growing out. The forest showing how we are destroying the earth with our trash. And yeah. The water with goldfish. And this is a box, I guess, of candy earth hearts. Cool. Very imaginative. Very, I don't know. It's different. I like different. The day covers and days of the month and some more half boxes. So I think the mini is okay for me. I might go up to a different sub box, but I'm gonna see how the mini works out for me. I think I got enough here to work with, so we'll see how it goes. So let me give you another quick look, since I was probably out of frame for much of that because I was trying to look at it myself. And these are also boxes up here that can be used. And then there's the date covers. So that's it from my sub box from a little, this is the mini sub box from A Little Spark. And I should be getting something else soon for May. I can't wait to see what that looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.